Hello and welcome. Today I have a super basic tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to create multiple YouTube channels with your same email or within your same account, and it makes it very easy to manage them, and you can just switch between the channels very easy. All right, let's get into it. Here we are on my channel page, this channel page, and this is just the dashboard that you see. And then if you come over here to the top right and click on your name account, you can go over here to switch account. And sometimes you can use this add account feature. Sometimes it gets a little glitchy, and if you click add account, it kind of wants to sign you out. And so that is not my preferred way to do it. Sometimes this works. It's worked for me in the past that way, but a lot of times it just doesn't work that way. So instead, we're going to come over here to settings down here in the lower left corner, click on settings, and then we're going to click on channel, and over here to advanced settings. Keep scrolling until we get to manage YouTube account. Click on that. And now right here underneath your channel name that you're on, we'll come over to add or manage your channels. And when you click on that, it is going to show you all the channels that you have associated with this account. But now I want to create a new channel, so I'm going to click on here, create a channel. And I'm going to select a picture. I already have a picture in mind. There we go. So for this one, I'm just creating a little kids program, and the name is going to be Buddy's Learning World So the handle, you might need to mess with the handle, just depends on if that handle is available. I'm just going to do world and then put fun right there for it. Okay, and now I'm going to do create channel, and there it is. And sometimes the picture doesn't always show up right here for the thumbnail. There it goes. Here we go. So now we are back to it. And then if you have a banner already, you can click your banner and put that in there. Got that in there. And then what you want to do is you can do a little description here and then add all the relevant information that you want. Make sure to put some SEO information in the description. Make sure to come over here to settings, and then channel. This is where you're going to put keywords. I'm also going to put my residence, where I live, and then keywords. You want to put keywords in for your channel. So you get the idea for that, okay? And then you come up here and hit publish. And then if you go down here, go to channel, there's my channel right there. Pretty awesome and super easy to do. Super easy to make more channels that are connected to one email. Now, if I go out here and just want to switch back to my other one, just come up here to the right-hand corner, go to switch account, and click on the channel that you want to do. And now I'm back over at my main channel here, and I can just click on this and go to the YouTube studio, or I could view the channel. Well, there you go. Easy as that. Hopefully you learned something new. Let me know in the comments. Thumbs up, down the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care and happy YouTubing, everyone.